Hi guys and welcome to my vlog. Please channel to my subscribe. Okay guys, please do that. Remember, okay. Anyway, today we will be learning how to cook with a surprise guest. Well, you guys wouldn't expect this, but yeah, he's with me here today. So he's gonna teach me how to cook. So yeah, please come in. Can you guess who he is? This is the guy. So you remember him from the KFC video, exactly, from the KFC video. Here's your KFC, bro.
I thought you said we were having KFC.
Yeah, exactly. Is this KFC?
It isn't.
Yes. Reuben Sooting.
Hi guys.
Say something to them.
Well, Dawan, first of all, today we're going to teach you how to cook. And I'm going to teach you something very important which you really lack. Table manners.
Bro, I have table manners.
Yeah.
Just leave it. Let's just not argument. It's not good, man. Like, it won't look good. Yeah, guys. So, just Reuben is he's a chef. Obviously, you can see this now. He's a chef, and he passed out from was it IIM Institute. And let me finish now. He passed from IIM, and he got featured in that Indian magazine.
World Chefs magazine. Not even an Indian magazine.
Oh,
it's a magazine based in France.
Yeah. Yeah. It's the same, yeah, guys.
International.
Yeah. He used the picture. He used that picture, no?
Yeah.
KFC video. After we shot the video, he used this picture in this magazine. He didn't give me credits. Yeah, just
You didn't take the credit photo.
Yeah,
Naf, I gave Naf
no
credit.
credits. Look at this.
I mean, it's not shown here, but I
It
gave
should be
Naf
written
credit.
here, like on Instagram, like PC photo credits. No,
That's on.
we're talking too much off topic. So anyway, so what are we doing?
We're going to be making poulet fricassé, which is a French dish. That translates to chicken and bechamel sauce.
Nobody understands bechamel sauce here.
White sauce.
Just,
white
white sauce.
Chicken and white sauce. Yeah.
Chicken or chicken?
Chicken breast.
Dosiar yuk, bener? Yang beras pasti. Oh, this guy is vegetarian. You know?
Wait, you're
Oh,
vegetarian?
we have a garu guy behind, so how you know? Yeah, anyway, I will be
Dosiar
making
sauce belek.
dosiar sauce balik. Dia ingin chef dosiar sauce balik. Bangin air batu. Piat ni serong.
Piat the drum.
Biar,
The
yeah.
piat will be in the sauce itself.
Piat will be in the sauce, onions will be in the sauce.
Yeah.
And after that, yeah, we'll have a tasting session. I think mine will be better because I used to cook a lot for my friends.
Yeah, yours will be better maybe in some other country.
Also, bro, I saw on an article that these chefs, they bring their own knives now.
Yeah.
So I brought my own knife because I wanted to show that I'm very responsible. I don't just come and shoot like this, like that, no.
Okay, that's actually one good thing I've seen about this.
So this is the knife. It's a traditional Khasi knife. We use this for cooking, for kwai. We use this to
That is not. It is rusted. Are you serious? You want to use this knife to cook right now? This is a rusted knife, and it's. Look at this. This is gonna. How are you gonna use this knife, man? You need something which is perfect, which cuts, which has the right balance. Wow, man.
I knew this was
like
a bad idea. Why did he tell me, Brendon, to bring this?
unnecessary,
I didn't even bring. He asked me to.
Can't use that knife. That's like that's like banned from the kitchen, man.
Let's keep it then.
Yeah, please like far away, man. Maybe.
So, chalo, let's start with
just
the
throw it off.
Let's start with the dish. Chalo, let's go.
Yeah.
Dawan chill if like.
Elena, how was it?
It was okay.
Okay.
Where's the chef?
I have no idea.
Hey! It's on the phone. Hey! Chalo.
Are you like planning to help at all, or am I supposed to carry everything for you? You're here to learn, and I'm doing all the carrying.
Bro, you're taking too much time.
I'm taking all the time.
I came for a piss and I'm just standing here and you know you should be professional, no? Like
you should be getting some of the
I
stuff.
brought a
I mean, like
knife, I'm
I'm
very
carrying everything. You brought a knife.
That's
So bringing a knife is everything now. Wow, but why don't you like, help out and go get some things from there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Whatever's
Yes.
left, man. That too. I mean, you can
Too
carry
much
these
butter,
things.
yeah, I need apps now.
Yeah, man. And dude, one last thing. So simple.
Let's hold it like this
Oh, wow.
since you feel you need help now.
Wow, man. Wow.
Let's use this some, it's fine.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. Use this, that's okay.
Yeah.
What else?
Just about that and the knives. Yeah. What?
Why are you giving me this?
You're new. That is your knife. This is my knife.
You're just, at this point, you're just insulting me, bro. Just because I'm good to you, I'm a nice guy, you're just insulting me like this.
You're nice. I can see that. You're so nice. You're so helpful, aren't you?
Okay, what are we doing? What is this? What's all this?
You can take a guess what this is.
Yeah, this is chicken breast.
Yeah.
Oh, is this chicken breast? Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know how to check.
I don't know
Oh, I
what to say.
forgot to wash my hands like him for piss.
Just go wash your hands. Like maybe right now.
Doesn't smell.
I think
it's fine.
No! Wash, please.
It's fine.
No. Go wash. Yeah. Golden rule to anything. Wash your hands first. Always.
Hey, you guys are too.
This is called hygiene. It's called. Yeah.
Fine. So let's start.
Finally!
We have the chicken breast here, guys. We
Yeah.
have the that smells like piss now, and we have what else we have?
That's flour, all-purpose flour. You
Yeah.
have butter. Sorry, we can't say butter. You have butter. You have cream. You have some. You have onion, bay leaves, garlic, some cloves, and you have some cheese and milk. Pretty simple. And of course, salt and pepper, which isn't here, but that's basic.
Chalo. How do we do this now?
Alright, I'm going to start by cutting this into two so that I can show you how to cut it. And I hope you'll screw that up either.
Don't. Your hands might slip, and be careful.
Funny. I can do it. Unlike some people.
I just came here to do the vlog, bro. You don't pick on me.
Yeah, I mean, like, you should know. Work on your homework.
Stop arguing with me. Explain to them now what you're doing. The people don't want to hear. What is that?
Fair point. So this is skin. We're going to remove the skin because this dish doesn't really need the skin.
Bro, we used to fry this at home. It's really nice.
I'll have to admit, it is really
It's
good.
crispy.
It is, but then, well, it's unhygienic and especially since you touched it, we don't really need it anymore. Yeah. Why don't you help us out a bit?
So
and
I won't do anything. I'll just look at you. What's
you can actually help out a bit by going and getting excuse me. That's what you sneeze. Yeah. Why don't you go and get a plate from there?
A few moments later.
What are you doing
So
now?
I'm going to cut the chicken into two. So this is the breast, and when you're cutting a breast, you'll see there's a bone in the middle. So just find that bone and then cut it along the
Try
bone.
doing this. Sorry.
Yeah. And then when you see the bone, just go along with it and then you cut it to the side. This one actually has an odd bone here. So,
Don't make excuses, man.
are making excuses, are you?
It's not even a vlog anymore. I don't know what this is like. Show, argument.
See, you should learn your homework before coming in, otherwise you just think. See that? How simple that was? Now just like that, you have one dress. Which is, yeah, that's for you. There's a bone in there, please take it out.
How do you?
You can at least, my
Fun,
God,
man. I
man.
might. Let me do it now.
You seem to not know anything, no?
Let me do it. Teach me. Do it to me.
Okay.
So what do we do?
So you cut this out, just cut this part out of the bone.
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. This. Cut out perfect.
Wow, you took out one small bone. Perfect. So now we're gonna cut it into dices. Put it other way around first.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. And then.
Put it in like that. And now we're gonna cut it starting like this.
Wait. This.
Like this. You cut it diagonally first.
Like this, man.
Yeah, like that. Not that's
You
too
said
thin.
no to that.
That's too thin. Make it a little thicker
Oh,
at
okay.
least. Like that much. Please don't tell me I have to make cut guiding lines for you.
Cutting this baby right through. Look, I'm so smooth now.
I can see. So smooth. So smooth.
And then what do you do? Like this, right?
Yeah, and keep continue doing that.
Even the other one?
Yeah, of course.
Hit
I mean,
my
like,
hands and it was-
it's alright. If it's your hand, you lose a finger, it's alright. You can always buy a new finger.
No.
Don't tell me you need help with that too.
No, no.
Okay.
I'm just using my strength.
Whatever you have, which isn't much.
Hey, you also have like your own cooking show, right?
Well, I did a show, yeah, with what? This is a show called Food Diaries in Doordarshan. So I did a few episodes.
I've
on
seen
that.
it.
Yeah.
There you don't argue, here you want to argue big mouth.
Well, the host on that show is way better than someone else here right now. Okay. So now you're gonna cut it like this. You angle them
I
together.
did just 3 pieces more.
Make it. My God, man. This guy doesn't know anything.
Yeah.
Useless.
Start up. And then?
So now
Oh,
you
this is
cut it
my
like
favorite
this.
part.
Yeah, cut it like this. You line them up and you cut it into cubes. This is what you call Macedon.
I need
Very
to
forgetful.
reduce my sugar. lah.
You need to reduce everything.
Yeah.
Maybe increase what's in there, man. Yeah. Everything else can be reduced.
And then you, what did you do? This guy, he cooked for some event, right? What was that?
It's called Palette. So yeah, I had this event.
Palette?
Yeah, in December. No. Yeah, based on that. Damn it. You're actually right for a change, man.
Huh?
Maybe it's actually growing in there, man, right now.
And then what do you do that?
So yeah, I was a guest chef
Huh.
in Center Point in their resto bar called Cloud9. I was there for one night. So it was a 3-course dinner,
Okay.
which I did for everybody. Are you seriously not done yet?
I'm done.
Oh my God, you're taking
I'm
so long,
respecting
man.
you know, I'm listening to your story. I have to.
So you can still do it. I'm talking and I'm still doing this.
I can't. I need my finger. This is like chicken
take
popcorn
forever.
from KFC.
Not at
Nice.
all. Nowhere close.
Chicken popcorn.
No.
Fry.
No.
Just,
There's so many dishes. So I'm
it
gonna
looks
cut this
like
onion
you,
in half.
Brendon, that sok khasi. No, what was it called? That sok wasau?
So what's how?
The one there, Valencia. Is it the other one? Come on, we used to make.
Valencia's dad over there, man.
Soba. Yeah, it looks like soba. Yeah.
Soba? I don't know.
You don't know?
Pomelo. They call it.
Oh, pomelo. Okay. Yeah. It does not look like that, but yeah.
Does it look like one?
No, nowhere close.
Back when I was
Nowhere
like
close.
really tough, I had 6 packs to have that in the jungle over there. Good
Yeah,
times,
when did you have 6 packs, man? Some previous life or something? See, I can trim whatever's left from here and I'll still be done before you if I wanted to.
Cooking is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And see, at home now we do this. I'll show you. After it's done like this side, we do this. We do this. And we do this. Hey! I did it.
That's not the worst.
You also take orders, no, Reuben?
I used to. Now I'm like, not necessarily, I don't really take so much orders, but then, yeah, if you want a cake, call me.
Okay. What kind of cake, bro? That's so random.
Entremets. So I make.
What does that mean?
It's a type of French cake again. So you can.
We just want black forest, bro, in Shillong.
No, I don't make that.
Good one.
No.
And eggless, bro. Eggless.
So why don't you make some chili chicken instead, man? Why are you making this instead? Yeah.
Okay,
Black
stop.
forest, you can make chili chicken.
I'm very old fashioned. I like black forest. Black forest. Black forest is the best, guys. Now what?
Now I'm gonna crush the garlic. No, chop. Like this. Done.
My birthday!
Harder. More.
Okay. Oh, like harder.
Yeah, harder and flatter.
This knife is so bad. Give me a bit.
Will this help you instead?
Yes. Hey, got a golden knife.
So now you've been promoted. So now you just chop it up.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, how do you do that?
Like
Do
this.
this, yeah, this.
One hand here. With your 3 little
Oh,
fingers.
acha.
No, you don't need it like that. You hold that there and then you move with this hand.
Oof.
Yeah, exactly. That's how you do it.
Is this anyway entertaining, guys? Of having fun cooking. They say that these women, they like men who cook. Is it true?
That is true.
How come?
What do you mean, how
I
come?
don't see that.
Well, they definitely don't like guys who vlog.
Okay, now what?
Now we go to the kitchen and start with the prepping there. So now I'm taking about, that's about 2 teaspoons of butter, though it just looks like 1. And then I'm going to take in the same amount of flour. So now start whisking it before it gets burnt. So now yours also seems to be thinking. I'll reduce the flame. I reduced it for you already. So now you see once the this is called roux, by the way, okay? When you mix the flour and butter together like this.
Called what?
Roux.
Roux.
So now you're gonna add some milk to it. Add a small amount first.
Yeah,
Look how good this looks.
Okay, I think we both did well. Show them yours.
Yours is nowhere close
No,
to
I like
even.
mine with a bit of gravy. Yours is more thickness. So, yeah,
I
what's
don't know,
next?
man. So next, hand me 1 onion.
Hand 1 onion.
Yeah. And give me 2 bay leaves.
Bay leaves.
Yeah. And give me 3 cloves.
3 cloves.
Yeah.
This is good for your teeth. So that you should have this.
Yeah, it is good for your teeth. Alright, so now what you're going to do is, okay, you're going to use the clove as a nail.
This is cool now. All of
you.
me was.
Okay. Now
What does that do now? Holds it together, obviously.
it holds it
but
together,
then-
and it also just helps with the. It just helps with holding it together.
What technique is this
it
called?
just makes it look cool, and so now
Guys, at home you can try this.
this is what you call a setted onion.
Satted onion.
Set it, and then now just put it in and whisk it up.
Put it in now.
Yeah, put it in.
Now whisk it again.
Now, yeah, that's good. Use this. The
Oh,
whisk.
mine is
the
looking
whisk.
really good. Look. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
use the whisk, not that.
Guys, I guarantee you mine will taste
The
better.
rest of it.
Mine will taste better. Watch. So dangerous.
So now get So now you're done with this. Now you add in.
So what do you do with all this? Don't use it.
Oh no, we'll use that as a carcass. So we won't use this for this particular dish.
Oh, for another dish.
Yeah. So you know.
Acha.
So you can use that for stocks.
Oh, he's pouring it. Come, look, guys.
So yeah, that's yours. You've
Look
got
at
to pour
this, look at
yours
this.
into it.
Come look at this. The most amazing moment. Wait, let's do it together.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Go.
Now pour it in.
Wait. Brendon's not ready. Are you ready, Brendon?
Ready? Okay.
1, 2, and 3. Yes. Look at this. Oh my god! Wow! This reminded me of oats, huh?
Why? How? What?
Looks like oats.
Okay, actually, no. Now that you said it, now I can actually see that.
No?
Yeah, that's funny. All right.
Milk. Watch this.
Yeah. More.
Done.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So normally I would use something like parmesan or grana padano.
Heart attack vibes. Woo!
Funny enough, Uttam actually has a burger in his restaurant called the Heart Attack Burger.
Heart attack burger.
Yeah. So yeah.
Look at this. Any politicians watching, please order from Reuben. It's luxury food, man. Challenge you to a game of FIFA after this.
Alright. Come on,
You're
man.
gonna lose.
You're gonna lose one with that
Guys, it
sad team. What, Liverpool, right?
FIFA is sucks.
Please.
So
I don't
bad.
watch football, it's a difference,
so
man.
Bad.
Then let's race, man.
Bad. So hi guys, we're finally here. The dishes
Ready?
are ready.
Something
This is
basic.
mine.
Yeah.
This is this. It's again.
Pule ala king. Yeah.
Puli ala king.
Chicken ala king. It's something simple which anybody can make in their own house. So just having it with white rice.
Have white rice here.
So you know what to do? Put it upside down. And then like that.
Where do you want
Yeah.
me to place this?
Lift it. There. You're ruining it now. But yeah.
Yeah.
I mean it's nothing much. But then take some of your chicken with. Just use it. Yeah.
You take it first, no?
I can bring another later actually, you know. I mean I'm not doing any
We will
plating
have
here.
tasting sessions with the guys behind the camera.
Yeah.
They'll taste and tell us which dish is better.
Mine is better, but
Mine
continue.
is better.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, you already know mine is better. Like,
Come on, use that.
Look at this. Mine looks so good. Yours looks a bit, I don't know, man.
Mine looks good.
It doesn't. And I baked. Oh, I thought it was chicken.
Really windy
It's
outside.
onion.
This is what we're gonna use for the plating. Try this. This is.
Up. I'll do this. Look, because I'm fancy.
Wow.
There.
Yes.
That is
No,
high
this
class.
is
Not
this
this
is gonna
one.
be for plating.
What is this?
Try it. Let it like the flavor in your tongue.
You're giving me everything.
It's okay. There's more. I have one more piece. Try it. Put it on.
It's too much. The hell's that?
Wasabi.
Wasabi?
Yeah, wasabi. Hey, no, don't give it to the dog. Throw it in the basin. So did you just throw it to the streets?
Yeah.
Wow. You see that? That's wasabi someone else.
I wasabi to someone. That's very strong now.
Yeah, it's pungent, man.
Anyway, look, this dish looks like this. Somehow. Okay, now
Nowhere
we're done
close.
now. We're ready.
Nowhere close. Yeah.
Let's taste first.
Let's try it.
Let's ask them first. Taste them first. No?
Yeah, why not?
Guys,
Guys, come.
wait. Let me take over the camera. Yeah.
Oh, that's why. Why don't you try it first and then he can take over the camera?
Oh yeah.
It's easier. Yeah. It's like.
Oh, let's go for it. We don't have to judge our own food. Wow. Wow, mine's so good. How's yours?
Very good. Let me try yours. I think my chicken's a little undercooked.
It's not better.
What? Mine's better. I agree.
This one's
Mine's
better.
better. Yeah.
It's not undercooked like yours now. You had them, he said himself.
Mine is so much better.
You guys,
So much better. The chicken might be slightly undercooked, but it's still a million times better than yours.
Come cheers, guys.
Try.
I'll be tasting the gravy.
Yeah, my dad's calling.
Why don't
Why don't you guys try?
We'll take over the cameras while you guys try.
Kuzi and Brendon. Yeah. Taste first, Reuben, it's both of you. Be honest. Even the dogs watching.
Hey, my brother.
Oh, he's a vegetarian by the way.
Oh, you ate chicken. That's nice.
Next.
It's last name.
Yeah. Fine.
How's it?
Thank
Who's
you
better?
guys for watching. Who won? You say fast.
Mine.
I will take this one because this is a bit salty.
You? Oh my god. That pink salt. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Yeah. That's all.
And
I
so
don't
wrap
have
up.
anything else to say.
Yeah.
Cut. 1, 2, 3. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Done lah, biar cut.
Hey, cut. Hey.
Pack it up. Shoot. The dog bite me. I don't care anymore. Hey, the dog's scared.
Don't put it extra. Probably I'm going to see him.
What do you guys have? Please bite.